Greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm heading to, oops, fingers in the way. Heading to a new area, and I think I'm gonna follow this car ahead of me. Do you think they're going to the same place I'm going to? That looks like a Yeti. A couple of Yetis, actually. Oh, yeah.
It's a double. Oh. Yeah. Get my flow on. All right, so here I am at the new trails, and what do you know? They have a pump track like right here. That's pretty cool. Oh, I almost cleared that one the first time, but I'm not sure which direction to go. What are you supposed to do here?
Although I took quite a bit of video and rolled around quite a bit in the pump track, and it was fun, I decided to ride some real trails.
All right, so this is the map, and we're right here. So I'm trying to see what is what at this point. Man, there's a lot of trails here. It's all like, this is just a big loop, easy to blue loop. So here we go. Do not know what to expect, except there's stuff down there. I don't know what slide. It looks like rocky, chunky awesomeness.
I very quickly learned that this trail here was an access loop, more or less. It was a lot of fun, but got kind of weird toward the end, and I ended up turning around and doing the trail again.
No bikes, no horses. Okay. All right, so again, starting again, a left and a left. Take it easy. I do not know what to expect. It looked pretty vicious. Okay, so this is where, what direction do you go? This way?
Oh yeah, because when you're doing it,
One-way trail. Well, I'm heading in the right direction now. This looks a lot more invigorating. Oh yeah, we got some flow. You know, oh yeah, that was some serious air. Woo! Another one. Oh, wow. See, now these trails rock. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. I totally flew off that rock. Woo! Oh, I want to do that again. That was awesome. You see features, you just ride them. That's pretty rugged. More rugged than I wanted it to be for my wrist, but we're gonna do one loop and maybe do another loop. And it's actually pretty fun, actually. There's a big drop up here. Oh yeah. It's a double black. Oh. That is pretty sweet. Well, obviously I'm not gonna kill myself today. I'm just exploring this area, but if you haven't been to Hixon Forest and La Crosse, get off your butt. There's so many branches off this trail that I don't know what I'm really doing, other than I'm just kind of riding. Am I going the wrong direction now? Oops, I'm going the wrong direction. So,
Learned later that a lot of these trails are being worked on, and trail names and signs and stuff were still being put up, thus the confusion. Meanwhile, I just carried on and kept on rolling and exploring and seeing where I would end up. Getting lost all the while, of course.
Yeah, this is what I wanted, with a little less rocks, but not a big deal. It's really rocky. It's really rocky. So is Bob the name of the trail there at the bottom with a capital B? So I just talked to some hikers and they're like, this trail goes this way and that way and whatever. It's downhill mainly, but you know, whatever. Wow. Oh, yeah, I'm going downhill majorly. Oh, a little bit. Wow, go for the tree. So they said this kind of branches into other trails, so we'll just kind of have to have an adventure. This is, okay. This is, running into the runner again. Coming up behind you again here. Thank you. I'm so lost right now. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Just keep riding. I'm just riding trails. I'll figure it out. Thank you. Exactly. Oh, trails lead somewhere is what he should have said, but whatever. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. I'm really enjoying this. Yeah. Woo! I totally want to ride some of these features that are here, but I think I'm going to have to probably book this for next year for sure. Get on like the trail run. Okay, so I'm gonna stay low and I'm probably gonna pay for it, but do not know what. Oh, this is just epic. Yeah, this is a good choice. I'm sure I'm gonna have to go back uphill here at some point in time. But it's all good. Wow! Berm-o-matic. I almost went off the trail. I am not in shape at all. This is pretty sweet. I'm trying to get this. Oh, yeah! Put that suspension to. I was trying to jump that rut. Not very good job at getting that. I'm going completely downhill now. Downhill, uphill, right on the edge of the ravine. That is one heck of a ravine on my right. Default! I'm trying to bypass some of the rocks. The rest doesn't feel too bad. It's going to be sore. But you know what? Deal with it. After I'm done here. Wow. There's an infinity little foot action there. There's an infinity amount of options on these trails. How far only people I've encountered are runners. Here on the winning trail. Well, you know, nothing's marked, so. Now I'm going uphill. I think I gotta take a break up here. I love getting lost in the woods, but this is getting a little bit ridiculous. I'm going to, my seat's a good height. I'm gonna keep going here. I don't know what I'm getting into, but this place is a mecca for bikes. Bikers and hikers. So, if I didn't say it earlier, depending on how I edit this video, this place has got just as many hikers as it's got bikers. Oh boy, I so did not want to do this. So this is Moonshine. This is French Connection. So now they finally have signs. I'm going up to the spot right up here and get back on my bike. Oh, perfect, I'm going the right way. Yes, I'm going the right way. I'm going to recalculate.
After a brief pause and recalculating the direction I needed to go and where I was going, as well as finding a glorious energy drink in my backpack, hallelujah, I ended up running into some other riders.
Oh, here comes somebody. Oh, mosquitoes. They're up higher on another trail. Moonshine. Wow. Okay. Hey.
What's up?
Oh, I just said, hey, I'm like completely lost. I've never been here before. There's just trails all over in here. It's ridiculous and awesome at the same time.
They're not the greatest mark, so.
No, they are not marked at all. But you guys know what you're doing, apparently.
So the hard part is some of the names on these haven't been updated to match what they're like all the signs are printed. They're working on trying to get them out.
Okay, because we over on the green trail coming down there from the parking lot, I came through there, got lost, ran into a bunch of hikers. They're like, nothing's marked. I'm like, yeah.
Oh, but and it is. They're working on all the signs, and they had to reroute a couple of them and they had to rename a couple of things. So
Okay.
yeah, it's a little tough. But the trail forks should show like the most current trails.
Okay.
At least.
Okay.
I don't know.
After a brief talk, I decided to tag along with them and follow them to get to know the trails a little bit better from a local, but that is another video.